In this tutorial, we'll see how filters and segments turn contacts from different funnels into targeted audiences. Meet Oakstone Financial, an advisory company using several retirement funnels to generate leads. Leads are coming in through a retirement quiz, a pension calculator, and an estate planning checklist. Oakstone only wants to follow up with people over 50. That's where segments come in. We can define that target audience once, and Involve Me keeps it updated automatically as contacts start or stop matching the conditions. So instead of going back through the contact list each time, Oakstone always has a current, ready-to-use audience for the right follow-up. Before we build the segment, there's one important setup step. Open one of Oakstone's retirement-related funnels and select the age range question. In the Settings panel, open Contact Property Mapping. From here, you can click See All Mappings to open the full mapping setup. Then click Add Mapping, choose the age question as the submission field, and map it to the age range contact property. Once it's saved, that answer will be stored on the participant's contact profile whenever they submit the funnel. We'll use this same setup for the age question in each of Oakstone's retirement-related funnels, mapping everyone to the same age range contact property. This keeps the data consistent, so we can filter by age across all of the funnels later. Now that all Oakstone's retirement funnels use the same age range contact property, we can build the target audience with filters. Filters narrow down the contact list based on things like which funnel someone submitted or information stored on their contact profile. Once those filters define the audience we want, we can save them as a segment. From there, the segment updates automatically as contacts start or stop matching those conditions. Now we need to narrow this list down to Oakstone's target audience, people over 50 who completed at least one of their retirement funnels. We'll start by clicking Filter, then Add Filter, and creating a filter group. First, we'll include contacts who submitted the Retirement Readiness Quiz. Then we'll add the Pension Transfer Calculator and the Estate Planning Checklist using OR. OR means a contact only needs to have completed one of these funnels to be included in the group. Next, we'll add one more condition outside the group. Since age range is stored as a contact property, we'll choose Contact Property, select Age Range, and set it to over 50. We'll connect this condition with AND, which means contacts need to match both requirements. They must have completed at least one of the 3 funnels and be over 50. Now we have Oakstone's target audience. Next, we'll click Save as Segment and name the segment. In our case, we will name it Retirement Ready. Before saving, we can also see exactly how many contacts currently match the conditions and will be included in the segment. Once it's saved, we can open Manage Segments to find and manage the segment whenever we need. And that's the basics of filters and segments in Involve Me. We used filters to narrow Oakstone's contacts down to the right audience, then saved that audience as the Retirement Ready segment, which will continue updating automatically as contacts meet or stop meeting those conditions. In the next video, we'll take this segment one step further and use it to trigger an automated email workflow so the right contacts can receive the right follow-up automatically. Thanks for watching.